Hello, dear friends! Now you'll see amazing selection of smart cool gadgets you must know about. All links to the gadgets in the description below the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Number 11. Wireless Barbecue Cooking Thermometer. Number 10. Smart Shaker Bed Shaker Alarm.
Something as simple as waking up into a technological revolution? Simply open the free user-friendly app to schedule your alarm. Set up to 10 alarms in one shaker. Choose from 3 custom levels of vibration and a number of wake-up tones. In order to stay subtle under your pillow but become noticeable when it goes off, the Smart Shaker 2 is designed from strong but lightweight material. Silent vibrations allow you to wake up without disturbing your roommate or significant other. More wake-up options allow you to customize your alert. 3 vibration levels for all types of sleepers. There's more. Smart Shaker 2 can trigger other connected devices, such as Rainbow Smart Bulbs, so you can wake up with light. Connect your Smart Shaker 2 with Rainbow Smart Bulb and choose your color and dim level to wake up to your preferred lighting.
Dear friends, remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 9. Motorola Smart Nursery Machine. Number 8. USB C-Hub 12-in-1 Laptop Docking. Number 7. Kosus Dual Wireless Charger. Friends, if you liked at least one of the gadgets, push like please. Number 6. Chefman Mini Fridge Cools and Heats. Number 5. Automatic Mixing Stainless Steel Cup. Number 4. Carva Park Solar LED Garden Lights. Dear friends, remember to leave a comment which gadgets you like most. Number 3. Medi Humidifier Portable Air Purifier. Number 2. Electric Heating Pad Pain Relief. Number 1. Bliss Light Skylight Laser Projector. Dear friends, finally, remember to subscribe to my channel because in the future there will be a lot of awesome gadgets. If you liked at least one of the gadgets, push like please, and leave a comment which gadgets you like the most. See you in the next video. Goodbye.